Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Rolling Knife Sharpener. I've already been using this for over 3 months now, and this is a great sharpener to have if you want to sharpen your kitchen knife or any other type of knives. So let me show you how this product looks and all the features that it has. So when you first open the box, you have here's your sharpener. So it has two sides. It has a fine and then a coarse right here. You see that it has a wheel that's free rolling. It rolls very smoothly. And it has a wood surface. It has a good weight to it. It has the looks like that. So it rolls very easily on the ground. Here's your holder to hold the sharpener, and here's a magnet on each side to hold your knife. And then it tells you this side is a 20 degree. On the other side is 15 degrees. Then it has, like, on the bottom little rubber pieces so that way that it doesn't slide off. And then it comes with the storage case, a very nice storage case, and it has a thank you card. So when you're not using it, everything stores nicely inside the case and it looks very premium. So this could also be a gift. The box looks very nice. Alright, so let me show you how to use it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how dull the knife is right now. You see that it barely cuts and you have to put a lot of force just to cut it. Now I'm going to sharpen the knife. You got to go all the way across, making sure that you push down all the way towards the front and the back. You just pass it a few times. And then now we're going to flip it over to the other side to hit the other side. Making sure just to go a few times and making sure to put enough pressure to sharpen both sides. Okay, so now just wash it off. So that way you just wash off all the metal pieces. Now you can see how sharp the knife is, and it cuts the meat real easily like butter. Overall, this is a great rolling knife sharpener. I like how well that is made out of the solid wood material. I also like how the roller rolls very easily, and I also like how it has two different sides to sharpen your knife. And I also like how the base tells you the degree that you're sharpening, either 20 or 15. And this is a great product to have and to even give as a gift. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.